everyone! Today we're going to be making milk bread. This delicious, soft, and sweet bread is so easy to make with only a few ingredients needed. Alright, so let's get baking. So first we will need 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoon or 1 packet of active dry yeast. Mix everything together and let it sit to bloom for 8 to 10 minutes. Mix together the dry ingredients for the milk bread. We will need 3 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together, then add in 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 whole egg, and our yeast and milk mixture. Mix everything together with a spatula, then finish up mixing it with your clean hands. Transfer the dough in a floured surface and knead it for 10 to 12 minutes or until the dough becomes a little more elastic, smooth, and doesn't fall apart anymore. Form the dough into a ball and transfer it in an oiled bowl, and then cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Gently punch out the air bubbles and transfer again in a floured surface and divide the dough in 4 parts. Knead the smaller dough portions and shape it into a ball again and cover it up with a towel to proof for 30 more minutes. After the dough balls have almost doubled in size, flatten it up with a rolling pin and then roll them up and pinch the seams. Very lightly grease your baking dish and line the bottom with parchment paper, then add in and arrange the rolled dough. Cover the dough with a plastic wrap or towel and let it sit for 30 minutes for the final proofing. Then finally, brush the dough with egg wash. This is a mix of 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of milk. Then bake the dough in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes or until the bread looks golden. While the bread is nice and warm, brush the bread with melted butter and enjoy while it's still hot. So that's it for our delicious, soft, and sweet milk bread. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss my next bread baking videos. See you next time!